How to delete Hostinger account. First, ensure that your account is empty, meaning there should be no active services, domains, or outstanding balances. If you have any active subscriptions, you must disable auto-renewal and wait for those services to expire before proceeding with the deletion. Once your account is ready for deletion, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to your profile. From there, select Account Information and scroll down to find the Account option. Click on the Delete Account button. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to acknowledge that all your data will be permanently deleted. Check the acknowledgement box and then click Delete. After initiating the deletion, you will receive a confirmation email shortly. Be sure to check your spam or other inboxes if you do not see it right away. In the email, click on the Delete My Data button to finalize the deletion process. Once completed, your Hostinger account will be permanently deleted and it will not be recoverable.